longer operational life. The usual hardness is in the range of over 400 reach, and for high performance, meeting is a real hardness number or HN over 400 of often 500 to 600 for case hardened steel ensures maximum wear resistance and durability. And for 57, continuous stretching under load, even if the stress is less than yield point, is letter C, creep, because creep is the tendency of a solid material to move slowly or deform permanently under the influence of persistent mechanical stresses, even if those stresses are below the yield strength. And for 58, the most known lubricants being utilized in whatever category of load and speed are oil, air, grease, and dry lubricants like graphite, because graphite is common solid or dry lubricant used in environments where liquid lubricants like oil or grease cannot be used, such as high temperature or vacuum conditions. For 59, a coupling that allows actual flexibility or movement in the operation, made of alternate bolting or steel, leather, fabric, and or plastic material into the two flanges. So our answer is letter A, is flexible disc coupling, because this coupling use a series of thin discs, often steel or composite, bolted to flanges to allow for actual movement and angular misalignment. And for the last, it consists of two cranks. A stationing piece called the line of centers and the connecting rod is a 4-bar linkage, because a standard 4-bar linkage consists of 4 bodies called bars are links connected in a loop by 4 joints. In this context,